AFIA Skin Care Solutions. Attractive, functional, intelligent, affordable. AFIA Skin Care Solutions feature sturdy and durable dispensers which come fully assembled and are easy to mount. The slim, sleek design with large display window will fit any decor, whether you choose a modern black or classic white finish. AFIA dispensers employ an antimicrobial push button that dispenses 0.6 milliliters of luxurious foam per activation. Inside the AFIA dispenser is a pre-mounted foaming valve, so you are truly ready to go from the start. Placing product in the AFIA dispensers couldn't be easier. The hand cleaners come in environmentally friendly, easy to insert, transparent sealed bags that are collapsible to ensure there is no wasted product. There are multiple hand cleaner options with thick, rich, abundant foam, enhanced fragrances, and benefits to choose from with AFIA. Experience the cool, clean freshness of ocean mist, the bold sweetness of harvest melon, the pleasant fragrance of spring blossom, the environmentally responsible Earth Sense Certified Green Foaming Hand Cleaner, certified by Green Seal. For the most sensitive of skins, there's dermatologist-tested, Green Seal certified AFIA Hypoallergenic Foaming Hand Cleaner. For the ultimate protection against bacteria and illness-causing germs, there's the antibacterial Foaming Hand Cleaner. Ensure everyone in your facility practices the ultimate in hand hygiene, even when not in the restroom, with AFIA alcohol-free Foaming Hand Sanitizer and AFIA alcohol-based Foaming Hand Sanitizer with 70% ethyl alcohol. Ensure thorough hand sanitation in food processing and food preparation facilities with AFIA Foaming E-2. AFIA Foaming Hair and Body Wash combines a rich, abundant foam with conditioners to leave hair soft and manageable. No matter which AFIA selection you choose, you can be assured that AFIA also produces tangible cost savings. See these savings for yourself. Visit nclonline.com and go to the interactive product solution calculators and see how much you will save, right down to your cost per individual hand wash. Facilities with the AFIA Hand Care Solution system will experience an increase in hand washing frequency and overall hand hygiene, leading to a cleaner, healthier, and more productive environment. AFIA Skin Care Solutions. Skincare that promotes and sustains health and hygiene.